Hey guys! Today we will be looking at the Cessna update. Let's get into it. Go to our spawner and click Light Aircraft. First up, the Cessna 172. The first livery. And now the Cessnas have decals. Next up, Coast Guard. I love the little head on the logo. Now the gold and black livery. It's not too special. It's kinda boring for me cause it only has yellow and black lines. Next up is the student. Wait, I don't think this is the student. I pressed white. Now here is the student. The green. Extra close-up on the decal. Time for the red and gray. Oops, I meant light blue and blue. now it's the red and gray. The sailor one. Damn, they have their own borders. Ike, what happened here? Now the orangey purple. It's plain, but I like it. They said they had a cargo too. I just talked to the creator of the update, and he said that there wasn't DHL and FedEx. So let's see. Don't mind him. But here is the Cessna Caravan FedEx. It's small aft, but I like it. He said there were no activate doors. Anyways, it's time for the DHL. And lastly, the classic white. Anyways, please sub, and I will do a stream at 20 subers.